Welcome to our comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro, two of Apple's latest flagship models. Let's dive into the differences and what each has to offer. Starting with the design, the iPhone 15 Pro retains its sleek titanium frame, slightly lighter than its predecessors, while the iPhone 16 Pro builds on this with a slimmer profile and improved ergonomics. Both feature the ceramic shield for better durability, but the iPhone 16 Pro introduces a new frosted back texture, offering a more premium feel onto the display. The iPhone 15 Pro has a stunning 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, while the iPhone 16 Pro maintains the same size but upgrades with an even higher refresh rate of 144 Hz for smoother scrolling and gaming. The dynamic island feature is present on both, but Apple has further refined it on the 16 Pro, making notifications even more interactive. When it comes to performance, the iPhone 15 Pro is powered by the A17 Pro chip, delivering blazing fast speeds. The iPhone 16 Pro steps it up with the A18 chip, offering a significant boost in both graphics performance and power efficiency. For demanding users, the 16 Pro's multitasking capabilities and gaming performance set a new benchmark. Moving to the camera system, the iPhone 15 Pro boasts a 48-megapixel main sensor and an enhanced telephoto lens. The iPhone 16 Pro, however, takes mobile photography to the next level with a 64-megapixel main sensor, improved low-light performance, and AI-driven features for sharper, more detailed images. Both models feature ProRAW and ProRes, but the iPhone 16 Pro offers a wider range of editing tools right on the device. Battery life is another key factor. The iPhone 15 Pro provides all-day battery life, but the iPhone 16 Pro's upgraded battery and more efficient chip deliver even longer usage time, especially during heavy tasks, like gaming or video recording. Both models support 5G, MagSafe, and USB-C, but the iPhone 16 Pro introduces faster charging speeds, making it even more convenient for those on the go. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro is a powerful device with great design, performance, and camera features, but the iPhone 16 Pro takes everything a step further. With its improved display, faster chip, and enhanced camera system, it's the ultimate choice for those looking for the best Apple has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you decide which iPhone is the right fit for you.